Welcome to Study Loop.
Okay, so for a hollow sphere, the moment of inertia at its center will be I equal to 2 over 3 mr squared, right? But now, the moment we are looking for the moment of inertia on its surface. So there's a distance r between the center and the surface. So the new moment of inertia should plus the mass times the distance between the new rotating axis to the center of the mass, which is mr squared. We can get 5 over 3 mr squared, right? So that's the new moment of inertia. And we know that the period equal to 2 pi square root moment of inertia over mass gravitational acceleration d, distance, which is radius in our case. Plug in the number 2, 5, or 5. It's going to be 5 mr squared mgr, right? Canceled, r canceled. So we get, sorry, there's a 3 here. So it's going to be 2 pi square root 5r over g. So we plug in the number, we'll get 0.58 seconds.